American Express is a major player in the credit card world, but their business model is a bit different than your standard bank card. Unlike Visa or MasterCard, which mostly process payments, Amex often acts as both the payment network and the lender for your card. Because they handle the entire process, they often provide more direct customer support and specialized travel perks. They are famous for their rewards point system and high-end travel perks, though some cards require paying the balance in full every month. Ever wonder why American Express feels different from your standard bank card? It all comes down to how they handle your rewards and perks. Amex cards often carry annual fees, which are usually offset by high-value benefits like lounge access and statement credits. Always calculate if the annual fee is worth the benefits you will actually use before applying. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand Amex better, hit subscribe for more finance basics. See you next time.